Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your chosen track is free of DRM and available in files or voice memos. Open GarageBand and create a new project using Audio Recorder or an empty project with an audio track. Once done, tap the loop icon, choose Files, then import the song into a track. Make sure you place the audio on the timeline so you can edit. This is faster than moving between apps. You're now ready to trim and shape the clip for a ringtone. Now focus on the important middle work. Trim the clip to the exact part you want and keep it under 30 seconds so iOS accepts it as a ringtone. Tap the track, use split to cut, delete to remove extra sections, and drag fades to smooth the start and end. Make sure the audio levels are balanced by adjusting the track volume. This prevents sudden loudness when your phone rings. Once the edit sounds right, you're ready to export the file as a ringtone from GarageBand. Finish by exporting and applying the ringtone. In GarageBand, tap the project menu, choose Share, then Ringtone, give it a name and tap Export. After export, iOS offers you Sound as, or you can open Settings Sounds and Haptics Ringtone to select it or assign to a contact. If you can't export or the ringtone isn't available, make sure the source track isn't DRM protected, confirm it's under 30 seconds, and re-import a compatible file. That fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.